Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung Smart TV remote when it's really laggy or unresponsive. The first thing you want to do is completely remove the batteries from the back of it. Then press the power button and hold this down for approximately 30 seconds. And then what we want to do is make sure there's no buttons that are slightly pressed in. So we're going to go through all the different buttons and we're going to just smash all these buttons down, just like this. And we're going to make sure there's nothing slightly pressed in that's causing like a delay, because when the button is pressed in, whenever we move around the different menus. So press everything in very good and repeat this 2 or 3 times up and down the remote. Now, go back up, and then after about 2 or 3 minutes, we want to go ahead and just shake it just like this. Good. Now place the battery back in and turn on your TV. Also, you may want to go ahead and just unplug the TV from the wall outlet and see if that is also the problem. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.